12 days of Christmas tree ornament challenge. This is day 8. I am doing a snow globe mason jar DIY. Very simple things that you may need is a couple of the mason jar ornaments from the Dollar Tree, also some small miniature figurines, and some snow, fake snow, of course, and a glue stick or a glue gun or E6000 and a little bit of foam board. So that way we can make the miniature stand up a little bit taller. They seem to sink down into the lid area. So it's best to make a little bit of an area of a platform so they can sit upon. Usually white would work better, but you can use anything you have at your home to make it stand up. I would cut in maybe 4 or 3 circles and glue them on top of each other and set them on the inside of the lid. I'm going to play some music to make it easier for everyone since I've already given you a description of what we're doing. So I hope you enjoy and thank you for watching. 12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. The hosts of this challenge is Jackie from Mimi's World and Melissa at Melissa DIY. I also want to thank everybody for watching my video, and please look at the playlist because there's lots more to view. Thank you. 12 days.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.